Are you hunting for a RAM upgrade that actually makes your games fly? Don't worry, we've got you covered with clear picks that blend speed, capacity, and value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best RAM for gaming that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Corsair CMK32GX4M2E3200C16. From the outset, this kit signals Corsair's commitment to premium performance for gamers and power users seeking headroom across multitasking workloads. With a 32GB kit capacity, it targets enthusiasts who multitask, stream, and game at high settings without memory bottlenecks. Build quality and design follow a robust ethos, featuring an aluminum heat spreader that keeps modules cooler under sustained loads. The physical dimensions are compact for a dual-rank kit, ensuring compatibility with most mid-tower layouts and tight clearance. Despite the high density, Corsair maintains a clean black finish and precise molding to minimize gaps between modules. Technically, the modules operate at DDR4 3200CL16 with an estimated 135V, enabling swift data transfers and reduced latency. In a direct comparison with the Skill Ripjaw's V32GB DDR4 3200 kit, the Corsair option offers tighter timings and cooler operation. The pros include strong build, excellent heat management, and impressive headroom for overclocking when paired with capable CPUs. The cons include premium pricing and limited availability in some regions, which may deter budget-oriented gamers worldwide. Performance results from testing show excellent 1% lows and stable frame times in modern titles at 1080p and 1440p. Memory bandwidth benchmarks confirm the kit handles heavy workloads like photo editing and 4K video rendering without slowing down the system. Compatibility with Intel and AMD platforms ensures it fits a wide range of gaming rigs and workstations today. Pricing position places this kit in the premium tier, but the value emerges through sustained performance and future-proofing. Bottom line for the target audience is a reliable, high-performance memory that balances capacity, speed, and thermal performance for demanding setups. At number 4, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36. From the moment you unbox it, the kit exudes premium craftsmanship suitable for enthusiasts building high-end rigs today. Its premium brushed aluminum heat spreader, precise molding, and tight tolerances convey a serious commitment to durability and long life. The kit ships in a compact dual-rank 2x16GB configuration with a low profile height that fits under most air coolers. The module features Intel XMP3, zero readiness, plus cascaded timings designed to unlock peak frequencies with minimal user input. Operating voltage is 135V, balancing speed and power efficiency in modern platforms while maintaining stability under heavy workloads. During extended gaming sessions, the kit maintains stable temperatures around 40 to 45 C per module with a capable cooling solution. In synthetic bandwidth tests, it sustains near its rated speeds with minimal variance across a variety of workloads. Support for dual-channel operation ensures consistent memory bandwidth across typical gaming titles and multitasking workloads. Compared to the rival Skill Trident Z5 DDR5 6000 kit, this Corsair option edges ahead in sustained bandwidth and idle power. The pros include excellent overclocking headroom, low-profile design, and XMP3 zero ready. The cons include higher price and occasional compatibility quirks on older or budget boards. The kit is compatible with both Intel and AMD ecosystems, making it a flexible choice for a wide range of builds. Packaging includes standard anti-static materials, a heat-sink orientation guide, and clear labeling to simplify installation on crowded motherboards. For gamers and creators chasing top-tier DDR5 performance, this Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36 presents strong value while demanding a healthy cooling solution and platform support. At number 3, we have the crucial CP2K16G64C32U5B. From casual gamers to performance enthusiasts, this kit promises smooth multitasking, faster load times, and reliable overclocking headroom. It targets mid to high-end desktop builds that crave rapid memory, snappy responsiveness, and long-lasting stability under load. Its compact height and standardized footprint ensure straightforward upgrades across most cases while preserving GPU clearance and broad motherboard compatibility. The matte brushed aluminum heat spreader not only looks premium but actively helps dissipate heat under sustained workloads. Dimension-wise, the module adheres to standard DIMM form factors, minimizing fitment concerns and ensuring seamless integration with contemporary motherboards. Despite rugged construction, the overall weight remains modest, reducing stress on slots and enabling secure installation within tight system builds. The CMH32GX4M2E3200C16 kit delivers 16 GB per module across 4 modules, totaling 64 GB with optimized timings for stability. It supports XMP profiles for automatic overclocking, letting enthusiasts push memory speed with minimal manual tuning and validation. Non-ECC consumer-grade memory ensures broad compatibility with mainstream platforms while prioritizing speed and efficiency over enterprise-level error correction. In synthetic benchmarks, the kit demonstrates solid bandwidth and low latency, translating into faster game loads and snappier multitasking. Real-world gaming tests reveal steady frame pacing during open-world sequences, with minimal stutter even when textures are set high. Thermal headroom remains solid under prolonged sessions, keeping clock stable and helping prevent throttle during extended play sessions. Compared to the Corsair Vengeance DDR4 kit, this crucial offering provides higher per-stick density and better platform versatility. The pros include excellent multitasking headroom, strong reliability under sustained load, and quick automatic overclocking with stable results. The cons include higher price compared to comparable DDR4 kits and limited overclocking headroom on budget or older motherboards. At number 2, we have the TEAMGROUP ZGD4160G3200HC16 CDC01. On first approach, the kit exudes a premium aesthetic with a low-profile heat spreader that blends into most builds quietly. This RAM targets gamers and performance enthusiasts seeking reliable 16 GB capacity and stable overclocking headroom for modern titles. The aluminum alloy heatsink feels sturdy, and the finish resists fingerprints while maintaining a sleek, understated look in dense PC builds. A compact height ensures clearance beneath larger CPU coolers, preserving compatibility with most air and all-in-one cooling setups. This kit delivers 16 GB total with 2x8 GB modules rated at DDR4 3200CL16, optimized for tight timings and efficient bandwidth. Some users will appreciate the XMP profile that enables a straightforward jump to advertised speeds without manual tuning. Power delivery and board compatibility matter as memory stability relies on clean signaling, decent voltage margins, and consistent manufacturing tolerances. The kit is XMP 2.0 ready, letting enthusiasts unlock performance with compatible motherboards while preserving stability under load. In real-world gaming tests, the kit delivers smooth frame pacing and snappy load times when paired with capable GPUs under high settings. Benchmarks show steady memory bandwidth under sustained loads, contributing to stable frame rates in titles requiring rapid texture streaming. Overclocking headroom remains solid, with stable operation under tightened timings and modest voltage bumps, delivering meaningful gains without destabilizing system behavior. Compared to the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 GB DDR4 3200 kit, TEAMGROUP TLZ G416G3200C16's pricing, compatibility, and heat management offer competitive value. The pros include great value for money, consistently strong 3200 MT's performance, and excellent thermal management across extended gaming sessions. On the downside, the price is higher than budget kits, and overclocking headroom remains limited for extreme configurations. At number 1, we have the crucial CP2K16G64C38U5B. Initial impressions suggest this module targets mid-range gamers seeking reliable, cost-effective upgrades without sacrificing compatibility or stability. Its 16 GB total capacity positions it as a balanced choice for gaming PCs, delivering ample headroom for modern titles. Its target audience clearly includes budget gamers upgrading older systems and enthusiasts building compact rigs for portable gaming setups. The module arrives in a compact heat spreader design that balances aesthetic minimalism with practical cooling efficiency during operation. Its dimensions respect standard DIMM form factors, ensuring compatibility across most consumer motherboards without obstructing adjacent slots or profiles. The build quality conveys confidence through rigid PCB traces and a stable heat spreader that minimize flex under pressure. Crucial emphasizes stable performance under standard gaming loads through tested timings, consistent throughput, and strict quality control during production. The module supports mainstream overclocking options via XMP profiles, enabling users to tune memory speed without manual guesswork. Error correction features, CRC testing, and durable solder joints minimize crash risk and provide a stable platform for long gaming sessions. In gaming benchmarks at 1080p and 1440p, the kit consistently delivered smooth frame pacing and minimal stutter across titles. On multitasking and background loads, the memory maintained responsiveness, showing little slowdown when switching game, streaming, and productivity tasks. Thermal performance remained within comfortable limits, allowing extended sessions without noticeable throttling or performance degradation during long gaming marathons. Compared to the Skill Ripjaw's V16GB kit, the crucial CP2K64C38U5B offers similar performance at a lower price. The pros include outstanding price-performance balance, robust build quality, and broad compatibility across an extensive range of platforms and memory configurations. The cons include higher price relative to budget kits and limited overclocking headroom for enthusiasts seeking maximum performance under demanding workloads.